they ain't seen us yet. Let's see.
Here comes another one.
Got him. That's crazy. They just come out of the woods. There's a little baby. 3 of them.
4.
4 of them.
There's 2 by 1, 2, and 2 by the other. 2 babies. They're gonna cross.
Yeah, they're gonna go visit the neighbor now. Oh no, the fire on Orchard Island. Get rid of all the vines and the nonsense that were in the trees. Controlled burns. Good day to burn all the piles of stuff. Bit at a time. One back there has died down. This one's kicked up. And this one's almost done. Knock out as many as we can on a hot day. Pizza burgers.
He came under the carport and landed on the blue.
The fires are all dialed in. Trying to get rid of all this junk. Good morning, YouTube worlds. We're getting started today, getting our fires back up and going. And I thought, wow, it's going to be dry enough to drive across. No, not quite. It's a little wet still. So we got stuck. Let's see how bad it is. Yeah, you can see footprints. We're pretty stuck down in there. Soupy mess. So, let's see if we can get unstuck here. Let me put the camera somewhere else that's not super wet. And go from there. Bumble save Buzz. Yeah, we were stuck pretty good. Alright, back to nonsense. Gonna pull the log with tiny truck and see if it goes anywhere. So, see if we have chaos or if it actually works. Guess we're gonna know in a moment. Let's see if we can get a better shot. I'll try to get the truck in there. Yeah, maybe this will work. At least see the start of it. Not quite what I was going for, but I'll take it. I think we can move the other side around, rotate it. Hey, it crossed the creek. That counts for something. Let's see how it goes this time. Needs assistance. See if that helps. Ta-da! Bridge. A little bit more persuasion, but kind of a bridge. Yeah, I think we can make a bridge out of that. Cleaning up the berries. And Trish digs up an egg, and there's a turtle alive inside. Not even kidding, so we're going to...
Instinctively, I think they're supposed to go to the water, but I'm not sure what kind of turtle it is. What do we do? Do we leave him here or do we take him back?
Where was he? Just sitting there on the
bank? I think I dug up the
right
nest
over there.
Here.
Gotcha.
Because I was pulling out the weeds around the raspberry plant.
Our tomato turtle. Size of a tomato. Still waiting to see if he's going to fully wake up. His tail's out. He's moving a leg or so. So come out of the shell a little early, and we're going to see how he responds. Alright, man, now that you're alive, we didn't kill you, we're going to let you go.
Oh, I think he does have a leg problem. He's swinging sideways.
He wants to be, we're going to let him be. And
hopefully none of the predators saw us put him down.
Truck trying to back up.
To think that they were alive enough with that bad of injuries that it killed them. They were alive enough to tell first responders what happened. Christ, that had to hurt.
Yep. Still trying to turn around.
Poor guy.
He just backed up and like pulled forward again, and this is, I think, attempt number 3 of backing up. I don't know if I should go help him or just kind of watch. You good? Alright, hold it. Stop. Got a phone call, phone died, all that kind of stuff, but we got the semi-truck guy back on the road. So that's always fun to help somebody out. We're at Silvan Heights Bird Park for today, just enjoying the sights and sounds of all the avian critters. Gonna dance for us. Mute swan. They're actually not mute, it says.
Movie stars. Yeah, that's pretty. Look at you smile. Oh, you're pretty
cranes.
too. I like your grandpa hair.
Said you got grandpa hair, did you hear her?
Hi. Where's your eyeballs?
Little pink toes and red beaks. What are you guys doing way up there? Well, you're quite ugly, ain't you? Yeah, yeah. That's alright. Ain't everybody gotta be pretty. Yeah, you can be ugly. That's fine. We don't mind ugly birds. Yeah.
Okay. Come on.
Yeah, you're nuts looking.
My goodness. Oh yeah. Can I take a picture?
Child.
Oh, there's something else. No. Rats. It's this one, by the way. Green and yellow one.
Hey, Squawky.
Hey, noisy. Come here. Come on. Hello.
I was waiting to see if you noticed him.
You're gorgeous. Hi. Beanie red eye. Watch your,
Mm-hmm.
Some of the other ones.
Hi. Come back.
A magpie.
Yeah? Hi. I don't want to walk over you and disturb you. You're cool.
Ah, Mr. Kookaburra. Kind of scary looking, but cool. You got some really neat markings.
2,000 years later.
So we want to get old Stoneby out the water here since we're done at the bird place.
Yep.
All right. Let's see what we
Today's
can
the
do.
day.
We'll grab some chains and tiny truck.
We don't break any windows today.
It's the ominous laughs. All right. Yep. It's going. Yep, you're good. That's good.
Are we out?
Yep, you're good. I left the. Whee! There's a slide. Yeah, it was a bit of a pull up the hill. Alright, and clear up the last little bit of debris. We're going to get our bridge closer together here. The one end looks pretty good. We're just going to try and snug these together. Not break anything.
Can't see anything, so come
Go ahead, just go forward. Go ahead. Alright, whoa. Nope. Alright, that's good. Back up. Just a little bit. Back and forth a couple of times. We have our logs where we want them. The start of our bridge. That should do pretty good. Yeah, we're pretty solid now. Whee! Alright guys, till next time.